Choir to me is
a group of people singing together.
They all sing different parts, and when they all join together, it sounds so much better.
It's singing. That's it. I'm not actually sure how I started to like singing. I just started to like singing. You can learn it pretty quickly, and it doesn't matter if you're terrible at it, because you can get better at it.
When I used to live in Beijing, we would go on long road trips.
my mom would play lots of music for me to hear.
Sometimes I sing too loud, and then they're like, I'm trying to watch the TV, please keep it down. In the whole list of choral concert songs, my favorite song is A Zing A Za.
Scarborough Fair.
Together again.
Mo Li Hua.
A Zing A Za.
Did you practice a lot for this concert?
I practiced a lot for this concert.
Like almost every day. I think everyone's a bit nervous because it's gonna be a big crowd. 1,000 to 2,000, I think.
If I do make a mistake, maybe it would be seed.
I'm just gonna take a deep breath because that's what everyone says.